Tesla's new Cybertruck will soon be on the market and looks simply amazing. Tesla has made some fantastic vehicles, but has yet to tackle the truck market until we met the Cybertruck. Hello there and welcome back to Space Tech Zone. Today we'll talk about the massive production of the Tesla Cybertruck by 2023. Before we begin, drop a like for the video if you're a huge fan of Tesla. Please turn on post notifications so you never miss out on any of our future uploads. Revealed in November 2019, the Tesla Cybertruck was listed to hit the market as early as 2021. Since then, the proper launch of the electric pickup has been postponed 3 times. Among the reasons are the pandemic and the semiconductor crisis, an obstacle that has affected the automotive industry around the world. It'll be manufactured at Tesla's Gigafactory in Austin, Texas, a town that will also house the automaker's brand new headquarters. Musk had announced that Tesla would move its quarters from California to Austin, Texas, although it won't lessen its port on the West Coast. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has stated that the Tesla Cybertruck will go into volume production in 2023. Earlier this year, the EV brand confirmed that the electric pickup was paused and wouldn't go on sale until 2022 due to numerous issues. Musk said about Cybertruck production, "This year has been a continuous struggle with equipment supply. We've been confined by so many supply chain deficits, not just chips. Most likely what we'll see is Cybertruck start production at the end of next year, then attain volume production in 2023. However, the lag is unlikely to move European customers, as it remains uncertain that the Cybertruck will make it beyond the Atlantic. This is partially due to market desires for 6-meter-long pickup trucks and partially due to stringent EU-type approval regulations. The Cybertruck's size and angular profile are likely to present problems for passing pedestrian impact assessments in particular. Addressing a Q&A session at the company annual Battery Day conference last year, Musk stated that while orders for the Cybertruck are gigantic at well beyond 500,000, the vehicle may not make it through regulators outside the United States. Despite this, he still foretold a production range of at least 250,000 to 300,000 a year or maybe higher. The supercar will be equipped to go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 1.9 seconds and attain a top speed of 400 kilometers per hour. What's more, the wheels will also have a reach of 1,000 kilometers, acknowledgments to its extended 200 kilowatt-hour battery. Tesla Cybertruck has a body made of factory-shielded glass and stainless steel. The model will have variants with 1, 2, or even 3 electrical motors. For the most powerful, Tesla guarantees acceleration from 0 to 96 kilometers per hour in less than 3 seconds, and a top acceleration confined to 210 kilometers per hour. The range must pass 800 kilometers, and the full power can surpass 1,000 horsepower. "We are creating the Cybertruck to meet the American spec," Musk stated, "because if you try to create a car to satisfy the superset of all global demands, basically you can't make the Cybertruck. It's impossible." It looks more likely that the full-size Cybertruck will be a US model only, which may not hinder its market viability as America is the world's largest market for big pickup trucks. However, Musk stated that Tesla is also planning on producing a smaller variant of the Cybertruck to benefit countries with shorter roads. "We will presumably make an international variant of Cybertruck that will be kind of thinner, kind of like a firm Wolverine package," Musk said. However, he gave no further aspects of what he meant by Wolverine, which was a source to one of the heavy-lifting robots at Tesla's factory in Fremont, California, titled after the X-Men character. Musk assured any global Cybertruck that may surface will still be cool, adding, "But it will be shorter, because you can't make a large truck like that for most demands." The all-new Tesla Cybertruck is a stainless steel, angular-bodied utility vehicle with bulletproof glass and a claimed peak towing volume of over 6 tons. Rates will start from $39,900 when it goes on sale in 2022 in the US. Following the pickup's launch, Musk proclaimed on Twitter that more than 250,000 customers had placed bookings for the new model. Then he published a video showing the Tesla Cybertruck dragging a Ford F-150, America's best-selling pickup truck that's created some controversy online. Despite seeming like a prop from a sci-fi movie, Musk says the Cybertruck will do everything the most popular US market pickups can do. He He insisted that it could carry a payload of 1,587 kilograms and pull up to 6,350 kilograms. It also appears with a lockable 2,832-liter load bed, which can carry things up to 1,981 millimeters long. Musk assures the pickup will be beneficial off-road too. It has an approach angle of 35 degrees, a departure angle of 28 degrees, and 406 millimeters of ground clearance, which is better than the current Ford F-150. A series of new traction control settings created to simulate mechanical locking differentials is also ensured. Tesla Cybertruck, the performance and range. The range-topping Tesla Cybertruck will be valued starting from $39,900 in the US and will highlight an all-wheel drive powertrain, a large battery pack adapted from the Model X SUV, and a tri-motor. Tesla states that it'll have adequate strength for a 0 to 60 mile/hour time of 2.9 seconds and a top speed of 130 miles per hour, while its highest range will hold at 500 miles. Entry-level single-motor rear-wheel drive Cybertrucks will be rated from $39,900, roughly 31,000 pounds, and have a required 0 to 60 mile/hour time of 6.5 seconds and a high speed of 110 miles per hour. However, they will be fitted with smaller battery packs than the flagship model, meaning they will only be capable of covering 250 miles between charges and pulling up to 3,402 kilograms. Sitting between the two extremes will be a dual motor, an all-wheel drive model that's valued at $49,900, around 39,000 pounds. It'll extend a claimed series of more than 300 miles, a 0 to 60 mile/hour time of 4.5 seconds, and a highest towing capacity of 4,536 kilograms. Tesla Cybertruck, chassis, platform, and toughness. Like the Tesla Model X, the Cybertruck drives on air suspension, allowing the pickup's rear to be dropped to make unloading and loading more lenient. The truck is also provided with a retractable ramp, exhibited with a rebranded and rebodied Yamaha all-terrain vehicle driving over the stage and into the bed. There's still a significant amount of theory over Cybertruck's angular design, with many publications remaining confused over whether it'll reach the pedestrian safety aspect of US crash laws. However, Musk claims the Cybertruck will be the toughest pickup on the market, thanks to an ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled stainless steel body. Tesla's design boss, Franz von Holzhausen, showed the power of the pickup's body by trying to bend one of its doors with a sledgehammer. The Cybertruck will also be provided with Tesla armor glass, polymer layered and ultra-strong composite, which Elon Musk expressed as transparent metal. Its onstage exhibit didn't go as smoothly as the bodyworks, though, as Holzhausen threw a massive metal ball at the pickup's front and rear door glass. Both windows crackled. Musk agreed to the crowd that there was room for improvement. And as with all US market pickups, the Tesla Cybertruck is large. It covers 2,027 millimeters in width, 5,885 millimeters long, and 1,905 millimeters high, making it around the exact measurements as the supercab version of North America's current bestseller, the Ford F-150. Tesla Cybertruck. Let's have a look into the interior design. There are 2 rows of 3 seats, with the center front seat folding flat to make an armrest. As is typical for Tesla models, the dash highlights just a single 17-inch landscape touchscreen, which sits on top of a marble effect panel extending the entire diameter of the truck, with no other visible controls. A steering wheel in the Cybertruck is a yoke, also noticed on the current Tesla Model S Plaid and the forthcoming Tesla Roadster. The truck's rear-view mirror is a screen rather than a regular glass unit, which uses a feed from a high-definition camera in the tailgate, while the glass cover stretches back over the rear passengers, who get a glimpse of the steel-clad load bed. With that, we have come to an end of our video. What do you think of Tesla's new Cybertruck that will soon be on the market? Do let us know in the comments section below, because we would love to hear from you all. That's about it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more.